Hey folks, we're in Vincennes, which is right outside of Paris, and we've been using as a home base here in the Paris area a condo that's part of a affiliation that I have access to utilize this. And what you see is this door goes to the bedroom, and actually a nice glass door that we can come right out onto the deck here. We're about one story up, and then also you can get access to the family living room there, to out to the deck here. And I'm just going to try to show you a little bit. It's beautiful. This is I believe we're in springtime here in the Paris, France area, and a little overcast today, but it's still nice temperature, maybe in the 60s. And you can see here the nice foliage, everything behind me, a large wall that gives you privacy, beautiful garden-like atmosphere out here. But I got to get going. We're about to catch a flight. We're headed to Venice, Italy. So more to come on the trip, the tour that we're taking through Europe.